I start seeing this thing like LaTisha dupe, LaTisha dupe, LaTisha dupe. And I was like, who duping LaTisha? Which wig is it that's gonna be the dupe of all dupes for a full frontal hairline? Hold a minute. This ain't right. Maybe I'm seeing things differently. Hey, cause it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you what it's like today. Coming to you what it's like today.
Let the church say subscribe.
What's going on, y'all? Before we get started, let me say what's up to my subscribers. Hey, y'all. How y'all doing? What's up to all my K Team channel members? What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Listen, today, I'm so excited about this. I've had this wig for like a month now, and I just haven't been able to do it. But bam, we doing it today. Y'all know the wig that got all the girlies in a chokehold, right? LaTisha, right? Okay, so I've worn her so many times, honey, 11,000 times. I start seeing this thing like LaTisha dupe, LaTisha dupe, LaTisha dupe, and I was like, who duping LaTisha? How you gonna approach it? Which wig is it that's gonna be the dupe of all dupes? Because, and let me be clear, it wouldn't be super hard to dupe these type of wigs because a lot of these different companies are sister companies. I'm not saying this one that we're talking about today, but I'm just saying it's not like it's out of the realm of possibility. However, this is the first time I have seen several videos about this particular wig being a LaTisha dupe. So you know I grabbed it. We're gonna see if the dupe is duping like it's supposed to do. Let me look at this. This is Nutique, and this is the Illuse, your very own illusion. Flawless installs with a virtually undetectable HD lace. Now, you already know, we already talked about this. Undetectable does not mean undetectable. It just means undetectable. Okay. 100% high temp fiber. Okay, so that's synthetic, okay? That's synthetic. Now, they say you could put heat on it from a high temp with synthetic wigs. I stay right around that 375. That's just what I do. You have to determine it how you see fit for your life. Triangle lace, hand tied, pre-plucked natural baby hair. Now let me look at this. I'm gonna tell you right off top. Flawless skin tone contouring. Never mind, child. Wider and deeper lace for a full frontal hairline. Hold a minute. This ain't right. Maybe I'm seeing things differently. I'm looking at the back of this. Triangle lace. Honey, that looks like a T-part. Are you trying to be fancy about a T-part? Hold on, maybe I'm tripping. Does that look like a T-part to y'all? Because it looks like a T-part to me. Now, we're going to see. I'm going to open this up for full frontal hairline. That full frontal hairline? Let me see. Okay. I see where they going with it. Okay. The color is beautiful. This color is lovely. I will say off gate that this is probably a little bit easier to manage than LaTisha, because if you know LaTisha, then you know she thicker than a cold snicker, okay? LaTisha is coming at it with that body, and it's not for the weak at faint. Now, this one may have a little less density, but if so, just a smidget. Now, let's talk about this full lace. What are they talking about? Because this is clearly a T-part for a full frontal hairline. Okay, we gonna wordplay. Basically, there is lace from ear to ear, okay? But this is a T-part wig, honey. LaTisha is a full lace frontal wig, which means all this is lace, okay? All that's lace. Not just this little smidget right here and this part right here, okay? But you tried it, boo-boo. This color is smacking though. And I had 1B French roast. Mabry. Now, Mabry, don't get up here lying. Because see, if you a cute wig, we gon' buy you. But just tell the truth, shame the devil now. It's a nice part. I want it to be clear when y'all get it. I don't want you to think that it's a full lace front wig. It is not. Okay. So that's a difference between this wig and LaTisha. But as far as the way that the wig feels, the synthetic is beautiful. It's aesthetic, but it's not aesthetic. You know what I mean? Hey, it has a lot of similarities as LaTisha. That curl, you already know what time it is. I feel like just putting it on and doing what I do, right? I'm probably going to have to put just a little dab of color on this lace because it doesn't match my face, and that's okay. I have to do that with LaTisha too, I believe. I have to do that with many wigs. So if you like cute wigs, get the wig, okay? Let's just, This particular wig, hold a minute, let me see. Let me get Mabry in the color that I have, $44.99. I like that. Now, this is just right now. You know the prices change. I'm going to find LaTisha. LaTisha is $52.96, which is a few dollars different. But LaTisha has that name. So I get why LaTisha is a little bit more expensive. And it's just a smidget more expensive. Yeah, LaTisha's a 13 by 6. So that's different. Mabry. Oh, Mabry. I won't say Mabry is a spot on dupe. I can't. But I will say Mabry is cute. Mabry is cute and she's a few dollars cheaper than LaTisha. So it really depends on how you want to work it. Listen, hit that subscribe button so you can join the family and join the fun because you know you want to. You've been a friend of the family far too long. It's time for you to join the family, join the fun, become a cousin. If you want to become part of the K-Team member squad, go ahead and hit that join. As soon as I get 25, we having our first members only live and I'm so ready. Let's go ahead and work Mabry. Hold a minute.
Just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. Know we overdue. What you doing right now? Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been thinking out loud. I know I want you. Long time since the last time. Got a tab, we can run up. Knew you from the way, now we grown up. My look, yeah, made the realest ones nervous. But if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. We could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. I know it's a toss-up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Yeah, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? We was raised a little different. Be ashamed who I was, now I'm paid by the sentence. Taking my time with it. Baby, give me yours, so I could get them butterflies trapped in your rib cage. Let me know we on the same page. Hit me with a text, voice note or an emoji. Waiting all day for your name on the ID. So if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. And we could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Yeah, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? hot one. Yeah, you with the hottest under the sun. But be careful what you wish for. Make you eat your words. If I'm more than what you bargain for. Fun to flirt, but promise to deliver. Much is required. Cause look at what I'm giving you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You ain't really ready. Won't be faithful to someone ungrateful. I can't try to make you if you ain't you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You said you want a real one. Well, it don't get no realer than the realest one. Baby, can you handle me? If you really want it, better come get you some. But be careful what you wish for. Make you eat your words. If I'm more than what you bargained for. One dessert, but you ain't finished dinner. Much is required. Cause look at what I'm giving you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You ain't really ready. Won't be faithful to someone ungrateful. I can't try to make you if you ain't you. You ain't really ready for real. No, you'll never miss a good thing until it's gone. Oh, baby, you know you wrong. Yeah, I know you're gonna own it right back. Say you changed, but baby, I know that's cap. I see reality, and the fact is you ain't really ready for